What is up, my gangster bros? Today, we're making another gaming video. Today, we are playing
Central Infinity. I didn't forget the name this time on the third take.
You said channel, right?
Channel Infinity is what it's called?
Yes.
I said freaking Central Infinity. God dang it.
Hey, bro, today we're playing Central Infinity. It's
Bro,
the
shut
sequel
up.
to Infinity Wars. Actually, I meant...
Bro, shut up. At least I didn't genuinely forget it for once in my life.
Yes. So, this is our third take. Luckily, I forgot most of everything. That was the first part.
Because
Someone...
we didn't do anything, basically.
Yes.
And we had to keep redoing takes.
The
Because
second
the first
part...
one, I don't know.
The second part,
The second
I
one,
messed
I
up.
actual name.
No,
And
the
we
first
not
one,
talked
the first one you said my real name. Second one,
Yeah.
I forgot to get a drink of water, cause actually I don't need to
Bruh.
get a drink of water. I just really like water a lot.
I just really like water a lot.
Yeah. Okay. So I
Am I-
mostly forgot lots of
Bruh.
it.
Because we didn't do anything.
Yeah, except for go inside. So
Yeah, other than that, we didn't do anything. Need to drink, have to drink now.
now, bro.
Funny, untalented man.
Yes.
Am I allowed to do funny swears on your channel?
What type of swears are you going to say?
The things I say around you IRL?
PG-13. This video is going to be PG-13 because someone wants to swear. Sure.
So am I allowed to?
Yeah.
I am?
Yes, just don't say it constantly.
Okay, I'll try not to.
Okay, so we get a drink of water.
I'm on trying not to swear. I might accidentally swear like once or twice.
Yeah.
Just because I have it, but...
I just ate
Did
a...
you say TV time? Yay, yay.
Yay. Also, I just ate a glass. It literally made the crunch glass sound. That's
I'm
pretty
sorry,
gamer.
what?
I ate the glass! Okay, so we gotta turn on the TV. I don't know. I'm literally shrinking into the floor.
Bro, why are you
It's one of these! It's one of these old commercials. I've seen these. These are so weird.
Bro, is that Grape Boy. Banana Boy.
This is a real commercial, by the way. I've seen this before. Switch the channel. How do you...
It's an actual freaking...
Yes, it is.
How the heck?
I've seen it before.
Why?
The monsters.
It exists. Bro, imagine the berries and cream commercial just comes on.
I'm gonna watch this.
It's not even anymore, but I really don't care. It's funny.
Yeah.
I kept accidentally saying his actual name
Yes.
earlier.
You
Oh,
said
no,
it.
So I literally painted his actual name, his YouTube name on my desk. So I didn't accidentally say his actual name.
Yeah, they did.
So, it's just gonna be on my desk.
Boop.
While I'm painting a mural thing. I don't know what they're called. What a funny thing.
Yeah, okay.
And my hand hurts. It feels like it's gonna fall off. And I'm running on pure caffeine.
Oh. What the?
Yeah.
Are they breakdancing?
Bro, Trey, that looks kinda sus.
No, they're
Why is
breakdancing.
it so blurry? Is it blurry on your screen too? Or is it
Yes.
just mine?
Yeah, that's how it's supposed to be.
Okay, because I didn't know if that was just a glitch in the Discord screen sharing. Silly tub, rubber ducky. Bro, I'm like something my brother would say.
Silly tub, rubber ducky.
It's
Wait,
not
do I
really
go in?
stupid, even though he's 14.
Oh. Okay, gamer.
Genuinely, my dad actually genuinely said that he trusts me with knives more than my brother.
Oh
even
my
though
god.
my brother's like 3.5 years older than me.
Oh,
Or,
wait.
2.5. Or still, like a major difference older than me.
Yeah. Who doesn't own... What is that?
'Cause my
Oh, that's a
brother is
chair.
in high
That's
Like,
cool.
it makes me feel old because my brother's in freaking high school.
I walked through the toilet.
You walked in the toilet?
Look, I'm walking through the toilet. Look. Can I walk through the sink? I'm walking through the
Why
sink.
is there a hole?
Hey,
Bro,
what's
why-
going on,
there
guys?
is
I
literally
am Danny
there-
Phantom.
There is a square hole in my wall.
I'm the sink now.
Why are you in the sink?
I'm Danny Phantom, that's why.
You're acting like my brother. And it says a lot because my brother's in high school.
I didn't even get in. I just turned it off. Oh, wait, no. I guess I was supposed to. I thought those chairs were little midget babies trying to spy on me, like Kim Possible.
Also, no offense to little midget baby. IRL.
No offense to midget babies. Someone's doing a flip.
Oh, earlier this week, it was this week I believe, in art class, Untalented was there, so he'll be able to prove this. But I was stabbing an eraser to simulate my friend's head as a joke.
Oh my god. Okay.
And I accidentally stabbed with the pencil, stabbed my finger, my thumb really hard.
Oh yeah, they
And
did.
it started to bleed. So
Yes, it was
I
bleeding.
accidentally made myself bleed by stabbing myself really hard with a pencil. That was
Oh.
fun.
There was something like that looked weird on the TVs. Like it kept on playing weird things, so I had to keep on changing the TV because it just looked weird.
Yeah.
Okay,
Oh,
y'all.
also, remember our little funny friend that I was simulating his little funny head?
Yeah.
So I don't eat emojis and just started spamming monkeys. He also spammed rats. Bro, is this person mentally okay?
No. Oh my god, this is so loud. I've been recording. I'm actually getting really scared.
Bro, how are you scared? Oh, this is so. Oh, well, actually, it's more scary. I said actually. Actually, genuinely, it's more scary when you're actually playing it. So.
Yeah.
I mean, I guess I don't have anything to say about it because I'm not the one playing. I'm just looking through Discord. So. I mean, could be scary.
Channel Infinity. Time to watch this.
Oh yeah. Also, as I was saying, in that last take, I accidentally said you're funny, man. I said if you ever get security breach, you should definitely make a video on that.
I gotta go. Oh my god, there's someone.
Bro, you gotta go, bro.
I gotta go, man.
Bro, where you gotta go? Bro, where we going? We going on a road
Hold
trip?
on, I'm so sorry. I'm really scared.
Are we going on a road trip? Yabba
Yeah, but I can barely hear you. Oh my god, I'm not. Okay. I'm turning around, gamers.
Are you scared? You sound scared. Cause you're over here being really scared, and I'm just over here painting on my ceiling.
Please,
and
open
I'm
the
probably
door.
going to get
Open the door. I can't hide.
Why
Oh
do
my
you
god, I
open
can't
the
hide
door?
now.
Why? My god.
I can barely hear you. I'm sorry. My headphones are on the side of my face.
Oh, fix your headphones then.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Where am I?
What is happening? I don't know what's happening.
I don't know.
Okay, so I was just wondering if you knew.
Do you see that?
I genuinely.
Do you see that? The thing clipping.
Not really, no.
There was someone's, maybe in the recording you might see it. There was someone's feet clipping through. I can't open that door. I'm gonna get jump scared. Okay, hold on. I'm not gonna talk for a quick second. I'm gonna open that door. I'm gonna open that door. Okay guys, warning, there's gonna be a jump scare, pretty sure. Also,
Yeah,
I won't be able to
jump scare.
tell. I won't be able to tell if you swear or not, so.
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't know if we need a trigger for jump scares, but if there's a jump scare, maybe
Trigger warning.
for that, I guess.
Trigger warning.
know if
There's
you
gonna be a
trigger
jump scare. I don't know what type of jump scare there is. There may be flashing, loud sounds.
Also, if you ever want this funny man to put a trigger warning on a video, say so in the comments.
Yes, I'm just gonna do it now.
We don't want to trigger anybody.
Yes.
So if we actually trigger you and don't put a trigger warning, it is 100%
Yes.
on accident.
Yes.
Not trying to trigger anybody.
Yeah, because I don't know what type of jump scare this is gonna be. I don't know if there's gonna be flashing, loud noises.
I just don't know if we need trigger warnings for anything.
Yes.
I'm stupid.
All right. I'm gonna be silent for a second. I
Just
won't be able to
yes.
hear whatever you say. So yeah.
Okay.
I can't open the door.
You can't open the door.
I can't open the door.
Well, I mean, I kind of found a way to show my face on the internet.
I'm safe now.
Me.
Okay, I'm gonna be. Okay, wait. Flashing lights. Flashing lights. That's flashing lights. Oh my god. Trigger warning. Flashing lights. I'm gonna probably put that.
Oh yeah, trigger.
Oh my god.
Yeah, flashing trigger warning. I would also put that at like the very beginning of the video, just like an image. Just edit it onto an image,
I can't
probably.
edit the video. Okay, maybe I can. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna be quiet for a second. I'm sorry.
It's fine. Don't... Wrong.
I got the flashing lights part correct.
Yeah, I got flat. I saw. Oh yeah, and glitching probably.
Yeah.
TW for glitching. And
Yeah.
I don't know if for that, but
I
I
don't.
feel like you might, so I'm gonna.
Yeah. So see you later, guys. Bye. By the way, quick question: did you say a little swear word at all? Because you said you might.
I don't think I did.
Okay. Yeah, you didn't. Okay. So were you scared of it at least? It's okay if you weren't. Just wondering. Because I was.
Really? Because I'm not the one playing it.
Yeah. So goodbye, gamers.
If I was the one playing.
Yeah.